the panko crumbs more than I did the first time. This is better. No cheese pull, but quality is good. Yeah, go ahead and try some more. I'm ready to make some more. I'm gonna put the chicken inside the oven. I don't think I'm taking more. Marinara sauce.
Good.
It's better than the first one. But I put the panko in the breadcrumbs, in the seasonings, in the food processor, so it made it more fine. Yeah. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Those are good. Thank you. And all hitting spot. Trying to hold myself from having another one. I made some little mini mozzarella sticks. I just used cheese sticks. This recipe is so simple. Got your cheese sticks. I use panko, breadcrumbs, a little bit of garlic, basil, no, oregano. I think you do put basil in it too. Oregano, basil,